Do you know you can work more efficiently during presentation of data in Pivot by using slicers in Excel? Yes, by using slicer, your data look more presentable along with Pivot. Data presentation is powerful and more impactful when you present multiple data using slicers in single pivot. Hello friends, welcome back again to our channel Enhance Your Skills. My name is Vikram and I am your online tutor. Today we are going to learn a beautiful function of Excel, how to create a slicers in Microsoft Excel. If you are excited about it, let's hit that thumbs up. So let's start. So this is my Excel sheet having data of multiple states along with the invoice value of the customers. So currently the pivot includes only the state names and the invoice value, and I need to add the customer name also. So what I have to do, I have to right click and go to the show field list. Then I have to select customer name and add it to the filters. Then this category comes into the first row and then I have to select the customer name. But instead of this, I want slicers to be added against these invoices. Okay, so what I will unclick this and I will right click on the customer name and add as a slicer. So if you see, you can see the customer name slicer is added parallel to this data. And if I want to now click on this, like DSS is the customer, if I click on this customer, you will see the sales of this customer in Delhi is $16 lakhs and for Tamil Nadu $31 lakhs. Like this, we can select each customer and can get the sales value of each state. Now if you want to select multiple state, then you can click on any customer and then control down. Basis is you can select multiple customers also. Now if I want to remove this filter, I'll just go back and click here, click filter, then it will select all. This is one thing. Now if you see, the formatting is different for the slicer which we added. So if you see, it is having light brown color and this is blue color. So what I have to do is I have to just click on the slicers, and after clicking you will see one option slicers in top of this Excel. I will click here, then you will see here there are some formats. Then I will select this which is matching to my Excel pivot, and now see, if you see the format, the color formatting is same for both the pivot and the slicer. Now another option is if you want to add columns in the slicers, just click on slicers again. You will see one option here, column. Then you have to select, like if I want 2 columns, I will select 2. If I want 3 columns, it will give 3 columns. Okay, but currently I need 2, so I will select 2. Now I think it is more presentable. Now my manager asked me to add aging also, like how much time is these invoices are aged. So what I have to do is, again I will select this pivot table field. I will go back to the fields, I will select aging, again right click and add as a slicer. See, the aging is also added. First let me clear the filter. Now this is the whole data including all customer and all aging. Let me change the color of this also. I will go to the slicer and I'll change the format. Now I want the sales invoice value of the customer DSS. I just click DSS, and then I want the aging for this customer for between 61 to 90 days. So I will select control and then 61 to 90 days. See, so it is showing me aging of 61 to 90 days for customer DSS. So slicers help us to present the data more powerful and more impactful during presentation. Now let me remove all the filters and I'll go down. The next option is I want to add chart also. So I will select my data and go to insert, pivot charts, and I will select this cluster column. Okay. Now you see we have the chart also for these sales invoices of the customer. So if I want to see the chart of customer DSS sales in chart, I will click this. I will go down and see it changes. Now I want more than 365 days. There is nothing. I want 91 to 365 days. So we have $10 lakh sales invoice for this vendor DSS. So I hope you like this video helpful. So slicer is very powerful and impactful function of Excel which helps to present your data in a meaningful way during presentation. So thanks, that's all in this video. Hope you like this video. So do provide us your feedback if you like this video. Let's meet you in our next video with some new tips. Till then, enhance your skills by keep learning. Till then, bye bye.